yes to subject. So subjects also, whatever subjects she has been assigned, or her subjects only she can see here. And I select the parameter return, and you can just fill the marks over here. Say I can fill here say 35. So here we can fill the marks and say submit. That's it. So once teachers has filled the marks, we can also see here that now suppose we teachers had filled the marks for which class now here? 8th, I think 8th here. So see here also we can see those marks. So it's all completely connected. So once teacher fills the marks, we can automatically see, and then we can proceed on generating progress card. So if you want to do setup of your like this setup of filling the marks, you can let us know that you would like to do the setup of the same, and then we can do the setup, and so that you can directly fill the marks. Yes. So yeah. So what are the different messages I'm getting is send result mark through SMS. This part we want to study. Yeah, that I'll be taking next. First, we want to fill the marks of all the subject. Is it correct? Yeah, means first we need to fill the marks, and then only we can proceed to publishing and yes. Yeah. So any other queries in this publishing? You can let us know, like if there's any school who want to set up, you can let us know that kindly do set up or kindly contact us. Or you can tell your school names now. Vibha can take a note of it, and then we can do the setup of the school. Yes. Or you can in the chat box also you can send. So in chat box we can take a note of it. Fine. Yes. Any other query? Vibha, am I audible? I don't know. Why is it that there's no response? Vibha?
Yes, yes sir, you are audible.
Okay, okay. Yes. You be unmuted. So it's, I understand something. Yeah. Okay. Then we will proceed ahead with how to send SMS to the parents. Fine. So here there's a okay. So there's here there's a again besides publish report there's a called as send SMS. There's a tab name with the name of send SMS. So I click on this send tab. I'll select the division. Say I want to send marks for second B. I'll select the exam. Say cyclical test 1. So here we can see the list name of all the students. If we click here on view message, we can see what is the message that is going to go. Say name Bharat Amit Agarwal.
Sir, screen is not visible. Hello, sir.
Okay. Yes, fine. You told me. I'll
Screen
share.
is not visible.
Okay. Yeah. So I'll take this again. So yeah, now my screen is visible. My screen is visible.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So okay. So near publish report, there's a tab with the name of send SMS.
SMS. Yes.
Okay. So here we will select the class which you want to send SMS. Say I want to send SMS for second B. I'll select the exam. Say whether I want to send for half yearly exam or whether I want to send marks for cyclical term or so. So we can send the. So here we can see list of all the students here of that particular class second B. Okay. Now if I click here on view message, there's a binocular here. I can see what is the message that would be going to the parents. So this is the message that would go to the parent. Say name, student name, exam name, and subject. So say English, he has got 54 out of 100. Hindi 43 out of 100. Maths. So this way the max automatically the SMS would go to the every particular student. So you can select all and say send all, or say if you want to send only to a particular student, then say click on send. So here only this student would get an SMS. Now I'm doing okay. Now against this student Bharat Amit Agarwal, my mobile number is updated. So I'll click on OK. I'll share you my mobile screen so you can see how the message is received by the parent. You can see my mobile screen. You can see my mobile screen. Vibha?
So yeah, now it's visible.
Yes.
Yeah. Sir, there's a question in the chat box saying that admin app.
Let me finish this. And what you do is mute. You can see those who are speaking.
Sir, just one second. Sir, can you unmute yourself? Because when I'm trying to mute one by one, they're again unmuting themselves.
Okay.
Teachers, it's a small request. Kindly do not unmute yourself until unless you have a query. It disturbs the presentation.
Okay. So my mobile screen. Yeah, you can see my mobile screen.
Yes, sir.
My mobile screen. Okay. So here.
Yes.
Okay. So here you can see I have received an SMS with name of demo school. Okay. I'll click on this. And then I can see that message I have received. Bharat Amit Agarwal half yearly and whatever the marks he has got. And so this is how automatically every parent would get that their own SMS. So we don't have to do anything. Automatically each parent would get their message. Like I would get my son's SMS. So everybody would get their own words SMS. Yes. So now, yeah. So I'll just in brief I'll explain again. So there's this. Okay, I need to stop share screen. Okay. So there's an option called as send SMS near published report. You select the academic year, you select the division, say third A, you select the exam which you want to publish, say I want to say half yearly, and you can select all the students at a time and say send all, or if you want to send to a particular student, you can just click here on the send and only those parents would get the SMS. So this would directly go as an SMS. So even if app is not there, they would receive the SMS. Yes. So this is all about sending SMS. So I can take questions now. We can take questions now. Yeah. Yes. So Vibha, you were telling something. There was
Yes, sir. There is a
chat.
query in chat that admin app and teacher app different exam sets not understanding of selecting exams. From Mr. Asif. Asif sir, can you unmute yourself and ask, because even I'm not able to understand the query you have put out.
हाँ मैम हेलो
हाँ
सर
सर बोला सर
हाँ सर क्या हो रहा है मतलब क्या जब एडमिन ऐप ओपन करते हैं मोबाइल पर तो उसमें
हाँ.
एग्जाम सिलेक्शन है डिफरेंट एंड टीचर ऐप देन हैव टू select exam that's a different not understanding which type of the exam selection for filling the marks
तो आपको टीचर ऐप यूज करना है ना
हाँ वही ना but then that's time afterwards see na in admin app some exams not understanding for different are there
नहीं एडमिन ऐप पे तो है भी नहीं मेरे ख्याल से मार्क्स भरने का टीचर ऐप में ही है एडमिन लॉगिन बोल रहे हो या एडमिन ऐप बोल रहे हो
एडमिन लॉगिन
नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता अभी कैसा होता है
फॉर एग्जांपल दिखाता हूँ सर मैं एक फॉर एग्जांपल बोलता हूँ फॉर्मेटिंग टूल्स 3-4 रहते हैं इसमें से फर्स्ट टर्म का कौन सा सेकंड टर्म का वो ही नहीं अंडरस्टैंड होता बहुत रहते हैं समेटिव का 3-4 रहते हैं ये प्रॉब्लम होता है
समेटिव के 4 का 2 ही तो एग्जाम रहते हैं
नहीं ऐसा रहता है उसमें इसमें
अभी ये देखो
आप जाके देखो ना सर उसमें देखो उसमें 3-4 रहते हैं
आप कौन से स्कूल से बोल रहे हो
भारतीय विद्यापीठ
विटा से अच्छा ओके
टीचर क्या होता
कहाँ पे
है
देखो?
कंफ्यूज होता है
अच्छा वो लेकिन अपन तो टर्म वाइज मैप करते हैं ना उसको कि जैसे 9th
हाँ,
सिलेक्ट किया
हाँ इसीलिए तो ना क्या होता है मतलब क्या जब टीचर ऐप में देखता है ना नहीं एडमिन लॉगिन में करता है ना परफेक्ट
हाँ.
दिखाई देता है ये इसका क्या है फॉर्मेटिव इवैल्यूएशन टर्म 1 जब मोबाइल ऐप में यूज करते हैं ना खाली फॉर्मेटिव इवैल्यूएशन टूल और 2-3 रखते रहते हैं फॉर्मेटिव इवैल्यूएशन टूल तो कौन सा फर्स्ट टर्म का कौन सा सेकंड टर्म का वही अंडरस्टैंडिंग होगा
ओके ठीक है, तो वो मैं देता हूँ फीडबैक टीम को।
हाँ हाँ
तो उसमें क्या ये कर सकते, चेंजेस अपन उसमें कर लेंगे ऐसा।
हाँ सर, ओके।
ओके थैंक यू।
Hello.
यस यस मैम।
Hello.
यस
This published report will be available for parents who are using the app, and SMS will go to every parent.
हाँ, the registered mobile number.
That's correct, right?
Yes, yes.
What
The
I
registered
yeah.
mobile number, whatever
Same thing I
the
wanted to ask.
yes. So the
so
registered
is-
mobile number, they would get an SMS.
Okay, instead of
Irrespective
publish,
of whether they have the app or not.
Right. Yes. But only the in a SMS only that marks would go.
Yeah.
And in a app a complete progress card with
Complete
your
report
whatever yes your comments, your reviews
Yeah.
and everything, it would go that way. So there's a yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
thank you.
So you
thank
can do both the things. We can even publish and we can do send SMS as well.
we can send both the things, publish also
Both the
report and send SMSs.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes, right.
Because some parents may not have Android mobile, so
Right.
publish
Even they can web
report
login.
to- Okay.
Even they can do web login and they can check it. Means they can log into the URL through the username and password, and they can access it.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, one question. Sir,
Yes. Yes.
one
Rishima.
question.
Yes.
Now the process will begin with all the teachers filling the marks, okay, subject teachers. Then afterwards, it has to be sent to the class teachers, because the class teacher will prepare the
No.
results. Then,
In this, what happens is all the work would you don't have to send anyone. It's all online.
okay.
So everybody would fill their marks like whatever as a school you have decided, like the subject teachers, all the subject teachers would fill the marks, and automatically the report card is generated. So nothing has to be done after that, and then your IT admin can directly send SMS or whatever they want to do.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hello. Hello, Mr. Dipesh. This is
Yes, Neha.
Neha Kapoor. All right,
Yes.
I have a query here.
Yes, ma'am.
There's a problem which we generally face every now and then, wherein the parents change their registered mobile number and they
Okay.
get quite cranky about it. So can we have some sort of a provision within your application that the parent, if they want to change the number, they can update it on the website before they do so that it can be automatically done? Because at the need of the hour, they start howling at us and requesting us, like we want it and all this stuff. So it becomes really tedious and difficult for us. So can you find a solution for that as well?
Yes, ma'am. I'll take this as feedback and I'll update, take this to my team and ask them if we can take anything from the mobile app itself. We can take the update of new mobile number. So yes, we can take this and hopefully we'll get this done. And also
Thank you so much.
another thing is on the app. So even if they change the mobile number, they can log in with the username and password. Just the other scenario.
Yeah, I understand that, but they don't have the
It's-
username and password, many a times. And then every time they keep
Yes,
on
yes.
requesting the school to resend, and we need to approach you. So
Right.
that was my concern. If you can help us with that, it will be really nice. Yeah,
Fine. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
thank you.
Yes. I think Vanashri ma'am, you wanted to ask something?
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Now I'm not audible. Yeah.
Audible, sir?
Yeah, audible now. Voice is now it's not audible.
Audible?
Yes, now audible.
Sir, what is happening from 10:20 I'm trying and many of the teachers are trying.
What? For what?
But because participants are more than 100, we are not able to join you. But anyhow, luckily I joined, sir. So will you summarize
Normally,
whatever you have spoken
We
within
can send.
Huh.
Viva, are you recording this session?
Okay. You can say you
Sir,
can
we
send school, right?
had started the recording, but the first part couldn't proceed because there were a lot of phone calls from teachers saying that they were not able to join and all.
Normally, these sessions are not for teachers. We don't like this. Like IT people or principal should, and then we can have a teacher sessions. This way. So these sessions are normal for teacher like principal IT admin, so they can understand what things are there, and then we can get this implemented through teachers.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
This is from Leopard School. Actually,
Yes,
my
ma'am.
query is on the admin department can publish the result,
Yes.
which is filled by teachers.
Right. Yes.
Okay, fine. Thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you. We can give them access if you want. We can give them access, but 90% times it is done by the admin department.
Okay, fine, sir. Thank you.
Morning, sir. It will suppose if I have given teachers all the access, teachers' own ID and all, so they can publish from their own mobile or laptop.
Yes, they can. They can. Yes.
Because I
They
have
can
already
if we
given.
give them access. No,
If I have already.
No. For that you have to give another access, not this access. Which school, ma'am?
Matru Vidyalaya.
Matru Vidyalaya. You have to, from access manager, you have to give this scholastic CCA access. The subject access won't work here. You would have to give
So my
60
report cards
access.
are ready. Monday I wanted to publish. So if I want to publish by
So you
with
can
the teachers only.
in a single click you can publish from here.
Okay, but then again I have to give to admin only. So instead of that particular teacher, if I want to give, I have to
So
give the access
if
to
someone
the
would miss it or something, someone might not publish or forget it. So it's better that from here from admin you can publish all this for everybody in a single click.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning, ma'am. Yes, Swapna, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, Swapna, ma'am. Who is asking? Swapna, ma'am? Yeah. Okay. I think she is muted. Yeah. Someone else?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Anuj. Yeah.
माझं नाव माधुरी पाखरे. मी स्वामी विवेकानंद नॅशनल स्कूल बजाज नगर येथून बोलते. ह्या स्कूलमध्ये आहे. तर माझं असं म्हणणं होतं की आपण जे मार्क्स स्टुडंटला देतो तर काही काही पॅरेंट्स असे असतात की आमच्या मुलांना हे कमी मार्क्स आहेत, आमच्या मुलांना हे जास्त पडले पाहिजेत. मागे जे असाइनमेंट झाली होती त्याच्यामध्ये मुलांचं म्हणणं होतं की आम्हाला डायग्राम दिला होता त्याच्यात मिस्टेक असतात, तर मी कमी मार्क्स दिले होते. तर पॅरेंट्सचं म्हणणं होतं की इंटरेस्ट आहे त्याला एवढे कमी मार्क्स पडू शकतच नाही, आउट ऑफ आउट पाहिजे. तर मी म्हटलं मॅडम तुम्ही त्याची डायग्राम वगैरे बघितली का? आम्ही पेपर दाखवले तर म्हणे मॅडम बरोबर आहे. म्हटलं मग एक काम करा मॅडम, त्याचं बुक घ्या, बुक मध्ये पण डायग्राम आहे आणि त्याच्यात चेक करा आणि मग बघा म्हटलं तुमच्या मुलाची मिस्टेक कुठे. तर सर मग ऑनलाईन जर असं असलं आणि ते जर म्हटले की आमच्या मुलाला तर कमी मार्क्स आहे, तर आपण कोणत्या पद्धतीने हे करू शकतो?
ट्रिकी सिच्युएशन आहे. तर हे तर म्हणजे आय थिंक सो हे तर आम्ही जसं सिस्टम प्रोव्हाइड करणार ना, हे आता वस्तू तर आपल्याला तुम्हाला हँडल करायला लागणार कसं करायचं काय करायचं.
हा म्हणजे नाही काही काही पॅरेंट्स आहेत तसे की आमच्या मुलाला एवढे कमी मार्क्स, आता ऑनलाईन जरी आपण एक्झाम घेतली तर ते म्हणतीलच की आमच्या मुलाला एवढे कमी मार्क्स कसे म्हणून. काय आहेत सर काही काही पॅरेंट्स इकडचे जसे, त्याच्यामुळे मी म्हटलं की म्हणजे सगळ्या टीचरला हा प्रॉब्लेम होतोच इथे आमच्याकडे.
बरोबर नाही तर तुम्हाला आता माहित म्हणजे तुम्ही एवढ्या वर्षापासून या प्रोफेशन मध्ये तुम्हाला हे माहित असणार कसं हँडल करायचं. बिकॉज इट्स मोर ओव्हर ऑफ टीचिंग म्हणजे हे आहे म्हणजे टेक्निकल इट्स नथिंग अबाउट टेक्निकल असं.
Sir, Vrishali ma'am is asking whether to send the report card format to prisons.
Which school?
I think Bharti Satara.
जो ऑलरेडी केलेलं आहे सेटअप. बाकी तुमचे स्कूल्स बाकीचे पण स्कूल्स आहेत ना ऑलरेडी स्टेट बोर्डचं सगळं झालेलं. म्हणजे तुम्ही नुसतं सांगा की आमचं मॅपिंग करून द्या, म्हणजे मॅपिंग करून देते. एक ईमेल पाठवा, काइंडली डू द मॅपिंग फॉर आवर पोर्टल स्टेट बोर्ड मॅपिंग ऍज पर भारती. Yes. Other queries? Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
So can we get the summary of the class exact?
Summary report. आवाज येत नाहीये. Hello.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
तुम्ही समरी रिपोर्ट म्हणता ना, कन्सॉलिडेटेड रिपोर्ट. तर इकडनं आपल्याला रिपोर्ट कार्ड मध्ये जाऊन here we can get all this consolidated report. स्कूल ऍप म्हणजे कुणासाठी? पॅरेंटला तर कन्सॉलिडेटेड नाही द्यायचं ना. टीचर लॉग इनला मिळतं ते.
एक्झॅक्टली पर्यंत ऍप होत आहे त्यातले नक्की
पण तुमचा आवाज येत नाहीये.
टॉप स्कूल ऍपची
you can ma'am call me later on. तुमचा आवाज बिलकुल येत नाहीये. Yes, we will take other question.
समरी मिळेल.
Yes, any other question? Or we'll proceed ahead.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mr. Dinesh sir.
Sir, last week व्यवहार लास्ट सेशन जो हुआ था सर हमारा, उसमें हमें लेसन क्रिएट करने के लिए और उसका हमारा जो सेशन हुआ था
LMS का. हाँ. Yes. हाँ हाँ बोलो.
जो भी हमें लिंक भेजे गए थे YouTube पे, जो भी वीडियोस भेजे गए थे, एक्चुअली मैंने देखा सर कि वहाँ पे जिस प्रोसेस से जा रहा
सर, वो LMS का अपन क्वेश्चन बाद में लेंगे
सर. वहाँ पे
सर अभी क्या होगा, सब कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे क्या चल रहा है. सो इट्स बेटर कि जो टॉपिक चल रहा है उस पे क्वेश्चन लेंगे, फिर बाद में इधर जनरल क्वेश्चन.
चलिए. ओके सर. यस सर. थैंक यू.
हॅलो.
येस राठोड सर.
ऍक्च्युली सर जर समजा टीचर्सला मार्क्सच्या ऐवजी जर ग्रेड फिल करायचे असेल डायरेक्टली, तर ते पॉसिबल आहे का सर? आणि दुसरा एक क्वेश्चन सर, जर पॅरेंट्स ऍप मध्ये पॅरेंट्सला लास्ट इयरचा रिझल्ट बघायचा असेल
बघता येतं. ते सगळं ऑप्शन आहे ना तिकडे, सगळे इयर दिसतात जे ते बघताना, पण ते पब्लिश केलेलं असायला पाहिजे आपण.
हा पब्लिश केल्यानंतर ऍक्च्युली ते म्हणजे ऍप मध्ये दिसत नव्हतं इयर सिलेक्शनचं, म्हणूनच विचारलं.
आहे की ऑप्शन ऍप मध्ये इयर सिलेक्शनचं. पॅरेंट ऍप मध्ये आहे इयर सिलेक्शनचं ऑप्शन.
थँक्यू.
येस.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello, sir. Vanashri again, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, as I have not attended half an hour, just let me ask my queries, which I have. You might have discussed also already. So the formative, which oral activity, unit test, homework, OBT, everything is there, no? If we have done with the students, can we fill those marks to on Prism?
Ma'am, which school?
Bharati Vidyapit, Kolhapur, sir.
Kolhapur. Okay. So what is the question you asking is?
I'm asking, when school was there and as we have conducted oral activity or any project, homework, OBT, all the columns of the formative marks. If you have done with that, can we fill those marks on Prism or not? That was my query.
Yes, you can fill. You can fill either parameter wise, or if you want to fill just complete total as well. So all options are there on the Prism.
So parameter is there. I can fill up that because already we have done in first term.
Yes. You can fill that.
Sir, and what about that oral and written, which one is summative? That we have to keep blank.
Miss, you can. If you have not taken that, then you can keep that blank.
Okay.
Or
and on the basis of this formative only, we have to take out the result.
Yes.
Or still you have to discuss about these things. As I have joined, I was little bit confused, so I am asking you.
Yeah, means normally now it seems that summative exam is not being considered. Only schools are converting this formative exams to 100 marks, and accordingly
Okay.
they are publishing the result.
Okay, fine. Sir, any calculation is there, like how we have to divide or how we have to
So
do
whatever
the
say,
percentage?
so what would happen is say formative, say for first and second would be of 70 marks,
70
right?
for first and second.
Yeah,
Yes.
and so summative would have been for 30 marks.
Yes.
So you just fill your marks out of 70
Oh.
into the portal, and
Hmm.
automatically will convert that to 100 and will give you the report.
Okay, fine. Fine. Sir. Okay,
So
sir.
you just have to fill your marks out of 70, and
Hmm.
say accordingly, say for third and fourth you will fill out of 60 marks, right?
Yes, 60 plus 40. Yes.
So the 40 marks are done. Means that is not considered now. So now
Okay.
what we'll do is you just fill your marks out of 60, and our portal would automatically give you a report with 100 marks. How
Okay.
much? Means both report it will give you.
So, like one more
Consolidated it will
thing,
give.
can we do it? See, out of 70, if the child has got 50 marks, so 50 divided by 70 into 100, then we will get
So
the.
yes, so that automatically we will be doing it. So you don't have to
Okay,
do it
fine, fine.
manually.
Only the thing is that we have to fill up the marks on Prism.
Right.
Rest
Yes.
of the things will get done by you.
Yes, right.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Any other
That was my
queries?
query.
Yeah. Any other query? Okay, then we'll proceed ahead. Yes, we'll proceed ahead there. Okay, there's one new report we have added here in report analysis. In report analysis called as mark report. My screen is visible, right, Viva?
Yes.
Yeah. So many school
yes, sir,
has.
your screen is visible.
Yeah. So many school has given us a requirement that we don't understand. We don't get to know whether teacher has filled the marks or what is the status of marks filling. So for that, this report we have added. So this would give you a complete report saying that how many how much marks have been added by every subject or every teacher. So this is. Now suppose I selected second A. So I can see total student of 42. Okay. Now cyclical term one, this is exam name. In English, 29 students have filled, 29 student marks are filled. So this way I can get this report. Then in Hindi still 0 marks are filled. So this report is automatically generated. So you will get to know which student have not filled the marks and sorry, which teachers marks are not filled and how much, what is the status of marks filling. Therefore. Okay, now next part is okay. Now we got read. There's a message wherein do we get to know how many. Just a minute. Yeah. So there's a message saying we can to know have downloaded the app and how many students have you are using the app. So for that we have added this report called as reports. In reports you go. Okay. Anyways, that we are going to cover की whether आपल्याला किती पॅरेंटने ऍप डाउनलोड केला आहे आणि किती पॅरेंटने ऍप डाउनलोड नाही केला तर त्यासाठी आपल्याला कसं कळणार तर त्यासाठी वी हॅव टू गो टू रिपोर्ट्स मध्ये जाऊन ऍप रिपोर्ट्स ओके, तर इकडे लिहिलंय की दिस who have not used the app in the last 60 days. तर आय कॅन सिलेक्ट अ पर्टिक्युलर, मला सेकंड बी चं बघायचंय. तर सेकंड बी चे आय कॅन, मला लिस्ट येते की ह्या पॅरेंटनी ऍप डाउनलोड नाही केला. ओके, इकडं लिस्ट येते की कोणी कोणी ऍप डाउनलोड नाही केला, हे त्याची लिस्ट आहे.
नाही केला ती लिस्ट येते.
हो, आणि इकडं आपण सेंड नोटिफिकेशन वर क्लिक केलं तर इकडं ऑटोमॅटिकली हा मेसेज कंपोज आहे. तर त्यांना हे आता हा मेसेज आहे की डाउनलोड पॅरेंट ऍप URL, म्हणजे आपल्या जे मोबाईल ऍप आहे त्याची ऑटोमॅटिकली त्यांना URL जाणार. ओके, मग युजर नेम जाणार, पासवर्ड जाणार. असं आता मी सपोज एखाद्या स्टुडंटला मी माझा नंबर टाकूया आणि त्यात बघूया की कसं हे होईल. आता हे सेकंड बी चं स्टुडंट आहे, राईट.
टेन मधले 60 रिलीज करायचे.
ओके, आता हा इकडे माझा नंबर आलाय, राईट. तर मी इकडे सेंड नोटिफिकेशन वरती क्लिक करणार अँड सेंड नोटिफिकेशन. Viva, you need to mute wherever there's disturbance.
मग कसं पाठवायचं?
Sir, your voice, you have also been muted because there are multiple participants.
ओके, तर नोटिफिकेशनचा कोटा ऑलरेडी संपला आहे. मग आता त्या पेरेंट्सशी कसा कॉन्टॅक्ट करायचा?
हा, एक मिनिट मी सांगतो. तर आता हा मी मेसेज पाठवला, राईट. आता स्टॉप शेअर स्क्रीन. तर इकडं मेसेजला बघतो आपण. ओके, तर असा हा मेसेज जातो बघा, डिअर पॅरेंट्स ड्यू टू टेक्निकल इश्यू विथ SMS. तर हे आपल्या ऍपची लिंक पण गेली, त्याचा युजर नेम गेला, पासवर्ड गेला, वेब लॉगिनचा असा ऑप्शन गेला. ह्या लिंक वरती क्लिक केलं की डायरेक्टली ते प्ले स्टोअरला घेऊन जाणार आणि ऍप डाउनलोड करू शकणार पॅरेंट्स डायरेक्टली, राईट. आता हा, 1 मिनिट, हा मॅम, 1 मिनिट मॅम. So he could directly this is available here, so parents can download the app from here. Yeah, yes, Neha ma'am.
Okay, Dipesh, I just wanted to ask you, supposingly the parent has downloaded the app once, all right, on the mobile, okay, and then the parent happens to by mistake uninstall it, but now your system has already registered that this mobile has been downloaded by a particular parent,
right?
Then how do we work about with this?
See, okay, is my this login, Viva, can you see my web login?
Sir, I'm just able to see your phone screen currently.
Okay, now we can see, I think, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, we go to app status report. In app status report, you select a date, say on 9th, and you select login. So this report gives you, suppose you have sent any notification, so it would give you who all have read that notification or who have logged in that. So we can see that on 9th, these 3 parents have logged in.
Okay.
So from here we can get to know whether this parent have downloaded app or not. So here we can see whether they have logged in. So here now I can see whether I have logged in or this way. So here we can get there. Yeah.
No, I'm not talking about the login. Maybe the parent doesn't log in for, let's say, 2 months, as your duration is for 60 days, right? The parent
No, this is a live
installed
report.
and
This is a live report.
okay,
Now,
okay, this is going to be a live report.
see, now I will log in for another user on my mobile. Okay, and we'll refresh it. We'll see how this report gets. Okay, now
Sure.
another user I have logged in, and I'll just say submit. See, we have got a new user, app report 2 at 11:25. So this is a live report. If there's any login, automatically you'll get the list here.
All right, thank you.
Yes, thank you. Yes, the other question was that due to the SMS issues and all this, yes, there are some SMS problem. So here, even if we send this notification, might be it gets delayed, but this message would get delivered. जरी प्रॉब्लेम असेल SMS ला, पण तो डिले होतो, लेट जातो, तरी म्हणजे हा मेसेज जाईल, म्हणजे लेट जाईल पण जाईल मेसेज पॅरेंट्सला.
Print this Excel sheet, sir.
Excel sheet is not generated.
Excel sheet is not generated. Our particular report, top school app.
You asking ma'am any question?
Yes, sir. She's asking whether she's saying Excel sheet is not generated in Top School app for a particular particular teacher, right, ma'am?
No, just now we have generated report of this. How many students remain to download Top School app? That Excel sheet I am not getting.
From here? So here you can download, na? Here you can download this. See, here you can download.
Java error occurred.
Error येते का?
Yes.
म्हणजे डाउनलोडिंगला एरर येतोय का कुठे एरर येतोय?
When we'll
आता हे
create
डाउनलोड
as a Excel file, na, that time we get.
Okay, let me try. तर इकडे तर आता झालंय. अगेन एकदा चेक करा. हेच ना मी आता करतोय तेच ना?
Yes, sir. Click on Excel.
ठीक आहे, आता मी केलं की एक्सेल, हे बघा, एक्सेल वर क्लिक केलं, सेव्ह केलं, हे ओपन केलं. झाली ओपन. You can try again, and also the other option is इकडनं तुम्ही प्रिंट पण काढू शकता डायरेक्टली आणि सेव्ह एज PDF पण करता येईल.
Okay.
हॅलो.
आणि जरी तो प्रॉब्लेम राहिला तर यू कॅन जस्ट ईमेल की एरर येतोय, मग आपले सपोर्ट टीम चेक करतील काय एरर येतोय. स्क्रीनशॉट घेऊन.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Hello, Dipesh sir.
Yes, Meena ma'am.
I'm from Bharati Vidyapeeth Vita. I have one query, sir. बोर्डाकडून एक GR आलेला आहे सर 9th स्टँडर्ड साठी. तर 3 लँग्वेजेस आहेत ना, तर त्याला 105 पासिंग आहे आणि सायन्स मॅथ्सला 70 पासिंग आहे. मग तसं आपल्याला रिपोर्ट कार्ड बनवून देणार का आपण? हॅलो.
हा, म्हणजे बनवता येईल. मला त्याचं डिटेल मध्ये माहित नाही, पण तुम्ही म्हणजे मेल करा सपोर्टला, आपण ते करून घेऊ काय असेल ते त्याचं.
ओके ओके, चालेल सर. थँक्यू सर. थँक्यू सो मच.
Okay, so yeah. Any other query regarding this app report? So इकडे आपण काय करू शकतो की क्लास टीचर्सना आपण ही लिस्ट देऊ शकतो की हे तुमच्या क्लास लिस्ट आहे. आता पॅरेंट्स कॉलिंग आणि ते चालूच असणार, तर यू कॅन आस्क की क्लास टीचरना सांगून, म्हणजे मेसेज तर पाठवू शकतो आपण इकडनं, पण तरी जर पॅरेंटनी कुठल्या डाउनलोड केलं नसेल तर त्यांना क्लास टीचरना लिस्ट देऊन त्यांना सांगता येईल की बाबा काइंडली कन्वे म्हणजे त्या पर्टिक्युलर क्लासच्या पॅरेंट्सना की ॲप डाउनलोड करून घ्यायला. कारण आता जे बरीच वस्तू आहे, LMS म्हणा का जे क्विजेस घ्यायचे आहेत का, सो एव्हरीथिंग हॅज टू बी, म्हणजे ऍप लागणारच त्यासाठी. सो इट्स बेटर वी हॅव ऍप अवेलेबल. Yes.
Someone is asking a query.
Yeah.
Sir, SMS system now started.
SMS सिस्टम आहे, चालू आहे, पण ते कधी डिले होतोय मेसेज मध्ये, कधी फास्ट, कधी टाइमला जातोय, कधी लेट होतोय, म्हणजे अनप्रेडिक्टेबल आहे. असं म्हणून वी आर फोकसिंग की ऍप डाउनलोड करून घ्या, म्हणजे तुरंत पाठवल्या पॅरेंटला मेसेज जातो आणि पुश नोटिफिकेशन पण येतो. जसं वरती
अजून एक क्युरी होती सर, जेव्हा आपण ऍडमिशन इन्क्वायरी बघतो ना, ऍडमिशन CRA मध्ये आपण एक्सेल शीट डाउनलोड करायला जातो ना, एक्सेल शीट डाउनलोड होत नाही.
ठीक आहे, ते पण एक बघू. आता ह्याच्यानंतर मी ऍडमिशनला जाणार आहे, तर वन्स वी आर डन विथ दिस विल गो टू ऍडमिशन. तर एनी अदर क्वेरी ऑन दिस?
आणि एक सर, रिपोर्ट कार्ड आपण जेव्हा डाउनलोड करतो मोबाईलवर, अँड्रॉइड मोबाईलवर आपण रिपोर्ट कार्ड डाउनलोड करतो, A4 साईज होते ना, A4 साईज काय काय वेळेला 2-2 पेजेस मध्ये जाते.
ते सेटिंग करता येईल ना, ते क्रोम मध्ये त्याचं जे झूम आणि ते
आपल्या कसं मोबाईल मध्ये आपण जेव्हा अँड्रॉइड मोबाईलवर करतो ना, आता जस्ट प्रत्येकडे लॅपटॉप अवेलेबल होईल असं काही नाही ना.
म्हणजे तुम्ही टीचरला म्हणताय का मोबाईल म्हणजे पॅरेंटला म्हणताय?
नाही, टीचरला.
टीचरना मार्क्स फिल करायला मार्क्स फिल करायला
रिपोर्ट कार्ड आपण जनरेट करतो ना, त्यावेळेला सिंगल रिपोर्ट कार्ड जनरेट करतो, त्यावेळेला ते 2-2 पेजेस मध्ये जातं.
ते सेटिंग ते बघायला लागणार, म्हणजे ते काय ते आता केस टू केस बेसिस वरती ते कसं होणार, काय होणार, ते सपोर्ट टीमशी तुम्ही कोऑर्डिनेट केलं की नाही तर ते हेल्प करतील कसं करायचं, काय करायचं.
ठीक आहे, ओके.
Yes, so we can proceed ahead.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll go for now admission. Now admission ची आता चालू असतात, तर त्याच्यासाठी काय काय क्वेरी आहे तर that will take now ऑनलाईन ऍडमिशन साठी. तर मी एकदा ब्रीफ मध्ये सांगतो काय काय आपण केले ऍडमिशन साठी. ओके, तर आपण काय केलं की तुमची जे URL आहे, व्हॉट एव्हर आपल्या पोर्टलची URL असेल, /OE वरती क्लिक केलं की ऑनलाईन इन्क्वायरीचा फॉर्म ओपन होतो आणि ते पॅरेंट्स भरणार आणि आपल्याकडे ह्याचं डायरेक्टली हे येणार, फॉर्म आपल्याकडे येणार. हे एक ऑनलाईन इन्क्वायरीचा एक फॉर्म आहे आणि एक दुसरा फॉर्म आहे ते ऑनलाईन ऍडमिशनचा आहे. हा जरा मोठा फॉर्म आहे, डिटेल मध्ये फॉर्म आहे, त्यात ऑनलाईन पेमेंट आणि ते सगळं करता येतं. ओके, तर इकडनं पॅरेंट फॉर्म फिल करणार, ऑनलाईन फीस पे करू शकतात पॅरेंट्स, इकडनं फीस पेड सक्सेसफुल इकडे दिसतंय, नाहीतर मग इकडनं पे करता आलं असतं. तर हे सगळं आहे पॅरेंट साईडचं. तर पॅरेंट साईडने फॉर्म फिलिंग मध्ये काय क्वेरी, एनी क्वेरीज? तर मी आता लॉग इनला दाखवतो, ऍडमिन लॉग इनला ऍडमिशन्स. ओके, आता इन्क्वायरी मध्ये आलो, तर जे पण इन्क्वायरीज येणार ते आपल्याला इकडे इन्क्वायरी लिस्ट मध्ये दिसणार. ओके, तर आता क्वेरी होती की एक्सपोर्ट टू एक्सेल केलं की काहीतरी एरर येतोय. तर आता इकडे तर ओपन होतोय, तुमच्याकडे एरर आला तर मला ईमेल पाठवा सपोर्टला की देयर इज अ एरर, स्क्रीनशॉट घेऊन एरर पाठवून द्या. राईट, इकडनं आपण इंडिव्हिज्युअल प्रिंट करता येतं आणि दुसरं इकडे प्री ऍडमिशन मध्ये इकडे आपल्याला समरी कळतं की किती नंबर ऑफ इन्क्वायरीज आले, नंबर ऑफ इन्क्वायरीज, नंबर ऑफ प्रॉस्पेक्टस सोल्ड. प्री ऍडमिशन मध्ये इकडे किती इन्क्वायरी झाली, इकडे ऍडमिशन कन्फर्म करायचं असेल, रिजेक्ट करायचं असेल तर ते सगळं इकडनं आपल्याला करता येतं. Yes. So, means what all queries we can take on this online admission? Yes. Online admission inquiry साठी queries.
Hello.
Yes, Asif sir.
हेलो,
हाँ बोलो सर.
क्या हो रहा है मैंने क्या सर, हाँ सर, ऍडमिशन आपण करायला जातो, पेमेंट भरतो ना आपण, काय कायचं पेमेंट कसं होतं माहिती का, भरल्यानंतर ट्रान्झॅक्शन प्रोसेस पूर्ण होते, पैसे अकाउंटवर कट होतात आणि नंतर मेसेज येतो ट्रान्झॅक्शन इज फेल्ड म्हणून.
ओके.
हा
ते
तो
काहीतरी
बँक
एरर
जात
असेल.
नाही.
हा
हा, पण
मग ते
पैसे पण कट
ट्रान्झॅक्शन
होतात.
फेल झाला की तो फेलच होणार ना तो.
नाही
फेल
पण
झाला तर पैसे
अकाउंट
कट
वरून नाही
ते
अकाउंट
परत
पैसे कट
जाणार ना
होतात.
पैशाला. हो हो त्यांच्या अकाउंटला परत ते
हा
पैसे जाणार ना. जसं आपण आता कधी पण
हा जातात
रेल्वेला
पण
पण ऑनलाईन बुकिंग
आता एक पेरेंट्स असं
ऑनलाईन
झाले की काय माहिती का, आता 48 तास होऊन गेले अजून पण पैसे जमा झाले नाही. तर मग त्यांना मी सांगितले त्यांना बँकेत जाऊन फॉर्म भरायला. पण असे पण
बँकेत
प्रॉब्लेम
जाऊन
व्हायला
फॉर्म
लागले.
भरायची गरज नाही. बँकेत जाऊन फॉर्म भरायची गरज नाही. त्यांना सपोर्टला ईमेल करायला सांगा की असं असं म्हणजे का तुम्ही एक ईमेल करा की ह्या पॅरेंटनी पे केलं होतं ह्या डेटला काइंडली
हा
ते काय होतंय
म्हणजे
त्यांनी
आमचे
मधनं कुठे रिफ्रेश केला काय केलं तर आपण म्हणजे हे ऑनलाईन ते पूर्ण प्रोसेस
नाही
कम्प्लीट
असे
करायला लागते
3
ना.
पेरेंट्स ना झाले मग ते दोघांचे तर रिटर्न
बरोबर आहे.
आले,
आता
याचे फक्त जरा रिटर्न आले नाहीत असं झालं.
हा हा मग तेच म्हणतो ना. आता तुमचे किती पॅरेंटनी पे केलं टोटल फीस ऑनलाईन?
आता जवळजवळ माझ्यामध्ये 3-4 पेरेंट्सनी पेड केलेले आहेत.
हा
मला तो आकडा माहित नाही. फक्त मला जो प्रॉब्लेम आला ना ते टीचर म्हणजे ज्या इन्क्वायरी केली ज्या टीचरनी
हा हा हा
त्यांनी मला सांगितलं.
ठीक आहे. म्हणजे कसं त्याची पूर्ण प्रोसेस कम्प्लीट करून घ्यायला लागते. त्याशिवाय जर ते हे केलं तर ते हे होऊन जातं. म्हणून ते म्हणजे पैशाचं काय जात नाही. त्यांना सांगायचं पैसे कुठे जात नाहीत ते इकडे तिकडे
नाही
डिले होईल
पैसे जात
यायला.
नाही ते मी त्यांना सांगितलं ना त्यांना. हा ते मी सांगितलं त्यांना पैसे जात नाही ते. पण हा म्हणजे 2-3 सलग 2-3 दिवसात आला ना हा प्रॉब्लेम म्हणून.
बरं ठीक. कसं सगळं नवीन नवीन असतं ना पॅरेंट्सना. म्हणजे त्यांना कसं ते पूर्ण प्रोसेस काय म्हणजे हे होतं म्हणून ते कधी होऊ शकतं असं. बट ठीक आहे तसं काय हे. येस.
Hello,
ठीक आहे सर. ओके.
Dipesh sir.
येस मॅम.
Sir, I'm Rupali. I'm from City Pride School.
येस मॅम.
Sir, like we take the pre-admission CRM, like means those students. No, what we do in our school, we give some particular date. We open online forms for those who want admission. They fill the form, right? So we get all the data from the parents. Now, when we confirm the admissions, means we have all the data in our Excel sheet and the admission CRM also. So suppose 1,000 inquiries has come to us, and out of that, 120 students, we are confirming admission for 120 students.
Right.
So from this pre-admission, how can we convert them? Like instead of again creating their new profile, adding their details into
So we
the
can
top.
directly confirm now from student here. There's option now here. Confirm.
That okay. How can we do? Can you please
Now
tell me?
see, suppose this parent has filled this form, right? PPP 572. Okay, now it's the status is by default status is coming as pending. Okay, and now if you want to confirm it, click on confirm. If you want to reject it, click on reject. So suppose I click on confirm, so automatically parent would get an SMS also with their username, password, and welcome to the school. So automatically they get an SMS.
Okay, and how we can decide that for which class we are confirming? Class and division also can be confirmed there.
How means you will filter now here. Suppose say you select now you want to confirm you want to see all the inquiries for first standard. So here you can see all the inquiries you have received for the first standard. Okay, admission inquiries. Now you can confirm whatever student you want to confirm.
No, that is okay. But if I want to, suppose there are 3 divisions. Suppose like love, peace, and wisdom.
So
I want
division.
to put
So here you can select the
division.
division.
I want to ask.
So here you can select the division. Now only one division is there. Let me see in another class if there are more divisions. So in second class I selected. So here I can select the divisions. Second A, second B, this way. Now already now pending one are there. Now here you can select the division. Say second B. Now you want to confirm the student in second B. So you select second B and then say confirm. So this student would get added in second B.
Okay, so it will be automatically added in that particular class. So I don't need to again add student and fill their details, right?
Yes, right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yes. Any other queries? Yes. Any other queries we have?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Last query, sir, about the result. Have you given any deadline for that? For making results?
No, that we why would we give deadline? Your
Okay,
school
okay.
would decide, not that.
Okay, okay, fine. Sir. Okay.
Yes. Yes, so we have covered the part today. We can have other session. Yeah, just. Yeah. So we'll take any other general queries. Yes. Any other queries we have? Yes. Any queries?
Meenal ma'am, I am not able to hear what you're saying. Your voice is muffled, I think. Hello? I think, sir, it's done. No queries in chat also.
Yes. Any other queries we have?
No, sir.
Just a minute. Be online. I'll be showing you one new feature. I just, it's still under testing phase. I'm showing you one new feature. What we have added. Okay, my screen is viewable, right? You can see my screen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have added this new feature wherein we can take live session through, we can conduct live sessions because which that would be required. So I'm logging to a teacher login. There are some issues. We'll take this later on. There's some other password.
Okay, sir.
Yes. So if there are any queries, we can take it, or we can conclude the session. Yes. Any final queries?
No, sir. Thank you, sir, so much for your kind information.
Yes.
Hello.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
Thank you,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, ma'am.
This is Poonam from City Pride School.
Yeah.
I
Yes.
want to ask just what is that document repository module?
Okay. Fine. I'll cover that document repository. So there's one new feature we have added. It was there before also, but now it would be of much use. So document repository is just like Google Drive, we can say. So here there's document repository. So we can create different folders. Say I want to create for 2021.
Sir, I'm able to hear your voice 2 times.
Yeah, I think someone has. I'm also able to hear 2 times. I think someone has 2 times, mobile and computer, so that's why. You mute all.
Yes, sir. I muted. I think Dinesh, sir.
Okay, so class 9. Again, it's double. Why is that? Okay, now it's. So I've class 9th science. Okay, and I've created this folder class 9 science, and I'll share with the say divisions. I'll select the division 9th A, 9th B, and okay, and say add. Okay, then what we'll do is we'll upload the file. Say I've created this here. I'll select the folder which we have created, and we can upload whatever files we want here. Any kind of file, say Excel file or PDF file or any image or anything we can share directly with the in this folder. Let's say upload. Okay, so all these are the different folders we have already created. And now I'll log into mobile app, parent app. I'll share my screen. Sure, okay. So you can see my mobile app. So this is a parent app. Now we will require this, why was this created? Now considering the situation, wherein we would have to give documents, we would have to keep on sending PDF files or worksheets or any reading material to the students. So here we can keep on uploading this in the same folder. Say today I have uploaded these 2 files, then again I can go and upload more files to that folder itself. So here I can see I can click on document repository. Okay, so we can see here all the folders which was shared to me. I can see here which was shared to this class. So now let's say class 9 maths. So whatever files we have uploaded in this folder, parents can see this. Now I want to open this file. Okay, so here it is. You can see that it will get downloaded here. Yeah. So it's downloading. You can see here. Here. You can see that file and you can directly, parent can open this file. And same is also available on web login. Like parent can also check this on the login of like say computer login. So here also there's option called as documents, and here we can see this file. Here you can see the
So your
folders.
screen is black again.
Okay, let me share screen. Okay, so you can see my screen now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I've logged into parent login. So in parent login, I can see documents. There's a tab with the name of documents. Here I can see all the files. So I can now parent can download this file and you can open it. So whatever document we want, we can directly share with parents, and files can. So he now says this many files we have. So all we can keep on adding on this. So it's not that okay, today I've uploaded these 2 files. After say 1 week I can upload other 2 files. So this would be an ongoing process. Yes. So this is all about document repository.
Sir, maximum capacity, how much will be there?
While uploading file, see here there's mentioned here. See, maximum upload size means one file can be of 5 MB, and these all file formats are accepted. JPG, PNG, doc, XLS, it's almost everything. And 5 MB should be maximum one file size. Yes.
Okay, sir. And how much data we can upload like that? How many files or how much space we can get? Document repository.
Space.
It's maximum how much size of files we can have. Like in Gmail, we get 15 GB space. So here, how much we can upload?
I think it would be 10 GB along with the LMS. Like with the LMS and this
It
merge.
will be along with the LMS 10 GB.
Yes.
So, sir, there is an assignment tab also. Like if you can see. So what is the difference between this and that assignment tab? Can we
You mean
link
LMS
that
assignment and this assignment? You mean
No,
LMS
this
assignment and this assignment?
No, this assignment, which you can see, assignment tab next to voucher.
No, you're asking just a minute. Goya? Okay, so the query was which I still you mean to say what is the difference between document repository and assignment?
No, sir. She was asking the assignment tab and our LMS assignment tab.
No.
What is the difference?
No, not LMS assignment tab. I am asking about the assignment tab and document repository. Can we map those assignments which we can?
See, document repository is like you just something you upload and keep so that student can refer it for a long time. Like say something of that sort. I won't say this as just as an assignment. Okay, you can make use of this as an assignment, but for assignment, it would be better if you have LMS or something of that sort to keep in use. But this would be like something you upload and keep so that students whenever they want, they can make use of it.
So what can be the use of that assignment, sir? Can you
Which
please
assignment?
elaborate more?
This assignment.
Yes, this one.
Okay, this assignment is there wherein you can send assignment and this. But now with this we had first designed standalone. But considering as an LMS, we have now everything integrated in LMS. So we suggest school to use that assignment and not make use of this assignment.
This assignment. All right. Sir, one more question I have related to the gallery.
Yeah.
How can we use that gallery?
For what?
Like the gallery is given like for uploading photos and all.
Yeah, gallery normally is for uploading activity photos or something. It's not related to curriculum or not related to academics. It's just an
But if suppose
extracurricular.
we want to upload some of our school events photographs, can we use that?
For that purpose only that gallery is there. No?
So,
This
but
gallery
as
is
there
for
is,
that
I
purpose.
think,
Yeah.
stand date and I think manage album, we can create then folders accordingly.
Yes.
And we
It's
can
much
keep
like
our
this
photos
only.
there.
Yes. You can upload photos and keep that.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yes. Any other queries? I think LMS and this is going on fine. LMS using LMS and these things.
Sir, they had few queries regarding LMS. Amruta ma'am had asked whether she can ask the queries about LMS.
Yeah, you can ask.
Yeah, so right now, yeah, we can take LMS queries in case.
Any queries? Now it's a general query, so any queries you have, we can take it.
Yeah, so actually when teachers were designing assignments and course, so they had a problem in deleting the things that were there, like deleting of files or deleting of links.
Yes, ma'am. Anything that you upload to media library, currently we have not given access to teachers to delete those. So it's a simple access issue. We can give those to the teachers then for deleting.
We can explain them itself, later on we can show them itself how they can give access, and they themselves can give access. If they want to give teacher delete access, they can give it.
Okay. Then we would like to see how to get consolidated marks of the class test. Like I have defined a
Quiz.
class test.
You mean quiz?
Quiz. Sorry,
LMS
quiz. LMS quiz.
For LMS quiz, ma'am, current.
Yes.
Vibha, you had shown it, no? How to get.
Yes, ma'am. I had shown
it. Was there? Yeah. Can you please show it once again?
Sir, I'm actually working from my mobile. Can you just open LMS?
Yeah, I'm opening.
Sir, I think your screen has frozen. I'm not able to see. Yeah. So yeah, same way we have to go from LearnPress to courses.
LearnPress to courses.
Courses, yeah. So currently it's sir is showing the admin dashboard, but for the teachers is the same. You see all the courses, and then you see all the students that are enrolled for that particular course. So there's a column called as grade book. You have to click on view under grade book. So now you'll be able to see the list of students who have attempted the course or who are currently doing the course. Below there is a tab called as export to CSV.
No, see what I'm
If you
able to see over here is how much course has been completed or what the children are doing. What I want to see is if I have defined some online quiz. And the whole
In export to CSV, ma'am, you'll get everything. There's a full column called as quiz. You can simply remove that column and then make a different sheet only for your quiz.
Can you just show?
There's a tab called for you want for all students, right? Not for a particular student.
Yeah, all students compiled data.
Or for a single student.
No, I want a compiled data.
Yeah, so for all students, there you have to just then you can just click on export to CSV. You'll get it all. You'll get all the data over there. There'll be a different column with the quiz result. So you just you can select that column and delete the rest of those if you want only the.
See also okay. Now here what you can say is I have selected class 8 science. Okay. Now once you select the student, so this is the student. Now it's a student name. So here you can see average how much he has completed the course is 75%. Now this party has completed assignment. Whether he has submitted or not. So this everything you can get this complete detail.
And the other day when we were trying through multiple choice in LMS, we were able to select all 4 options.
Yes, ma'am. I have notified a team.
No, but
I have notified a team regarding it.
MCQ means you can select all the options.
No, but
no, sir. For their question was that in multiple choice. Yeah.
No, that it doesn't. I don't think so. Means I think MCQ means you can select all the options. Now, suppose say MCQ you had given an MCQ and you had defined 2 right answer and 2 wrong. Okay.
Yeah.
Means 2 were the right. And if he's selecting 3, then he would get wrong answer.
But then will you calculate marks, sir? If we are giving
MCQ is right or wrong. It doesn't bifurcate now whether half is right or half is wrong.
No. See, sir, basically, if you are giving this option to child to select all the options, what the child will do, he will select all 4 options, right? So from all the 4 options, 2 are as it is going to be correct.
See what I'm trying to say. I understood your query, but what I'm saying is now suppose I had given 2 options were right and 2 options were wrong. Okay, right. Out of the 4 options, 2 were right and 2 were wrong. Now, had he selected 3 options, okay, 3 means 2 right and 1 wrong, right? So normally, how much marks you would have given him?
Yeah. Half mark? No, actually, as per the 12th standard board, where for the 12th board exams, we have this question wherein they have select 2 correct alternatives and select 3 correct alternatives.
Okay.
So the children are able to select only 2 correct alternatives or only 3. And for each alternative, there is 1 mark. So, if I have question for select 2 correct alternatives, I should be able to select only 2, not the 3rd option.
Yes, ma'am. I understood your query. I have also put it forward to our team. So they're trying to work on it. As soon as it's done, I'll notify you.
And like you also know that a preview, like many of the teachers.
Yeah, preview tab is not yet visible. Yeah, that's also
file not found it is giving, so that many teachers are getting confused.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Those 2 currently we are under process of adding new developments to the existing LMS to make it more user friendly. So yeah, as in the process is going on, these short modifications will be done shortly.
Okay, thank you so much.
Excuse me, sir. Till now we have not used this LMS. So can you just briefly tell me how to use it?
Which school, ma'am?
Matru Vidyalaya. Because till now we have not used this from
Okay. I
Pune.
think Sridhar sir was there. He had attended 2-3 sessions.
Okay, okay. So he knows how to do.
Yes, yes, very much. You know.
Thank you.
Yes. Any other queries? It could be any query, any general query. If you have, you can ask us. Yes.
So one more question, can we add a link from Google Drive directly? Like we know we can add a link from YouTube.
Yes, ma'am. You can add from Google Drive, but you
It's
just
not
have to
giving
make
that
it public.
option. It's not giving that option. Check. I'm not very much sure. You just check it. I'm not very
Okay,
much.
I'll
Because
just
here,
verify
when
it,
we are,
but as per my knowledge, you can, but you just have to make the link public before you share it.
Yes. Okay.
because when you're uploading file here,
So there's an add from URL option.
okay, so that works fine.
Yeah, that works. We can do, but I think we have to make it all public before they actually add it.
Okay, fine. Take it. Yes. Any other queries?
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
सर विद्यानिकेतन स्कूल मधून बोलतात. विद्यानिकेतन स्कूलला सर हे LMS जे आहे ते ऍक्टिव्हेट झालं आहे, पण ऍक्च्युली टीचर्स लॉग इनला ना जो डॅशबोर्ड आहे ना तो शो नाही होत, फक्त कलेक्शन्स दाखवत आहे आणि क्लास दाखवत आहे.
काय असतंय की तुम्ही जर काय केलं नाही ना, इफ यू हॅव नॉट क्रिएटेड एनी कोर्सेस, तर बाय डिफॉल्ट आम्ही कंटेंट दाखवतो. डिफॉल्ट कंटेंट तर तो दिसतोय.
ठीक आहे ना, पण ते टीचर्सला जे टीचर्स लॉग इन मध्ये जेव्हा आता कोर्सेस क्रिएट करायचे, आपल्याला कोर्सेस क्रिएट करायसाठी जे डॅशबोर्ड लागेल, ऍक्च्युली ते अवेलेबल नाहीये तिथे.
सर
ठीक आहे, तुम्ही एक ईमेल
हा, ओपन इन न्यू टॅब पण केलं ना.
ओके.
तरी नाही होत का?
नाही, फक्त ते कलेक्शन्स ची लिस्टच येत आहे.
You take note of this. हे कुठलं विद्यानिकेतन स्कूल
विद्यानिकेतन स्कूल दिग्रस.
तुमचा नंबर आणि हे व्हॉट्सअप मेसेज करून ठेवा मॅडमना, ते कॉन्टॅक्ट करतील चेक करून.
चालेल. थँक्यू.
Yes. Any other queries?
हेलो सर.
Yes.
सर LMS के बारे में पूछना था. कल लॉगिन करके देखा टीचर लॉगिन में, तो वहाँ पे जो भी टीच के लिए हम जो भी ऐप में गए तो वहाँ पे जो कलेक्शन आ रहे और वहाँ पे 1st to 12th तक के कुछ स्टैंडर्ड दिखाई दे रहे हैं, तो उसमें कुछ स्टैंडर्ड मिसिंग भी थे और उसमें कुछ स्पेसिफिक कुछ में स्पेसिफिक सब्जेक्ट है उसमें और भी सब्जेक्ट ऐड चाहिए उसमें सर, बहुत ही स्पेसिफिक.
वो आप कर सकते हो
जैसे साइंस,
वो आप कर सकते हो ना. हमने क्या किया है, कोई भी थोड़ा डिफॉल्ट कंटेंट हमने डाल के रखा है, तो अपने को वो चाहिए तो रख सकते हैं, नहीं चाहिए तो वो निकाल सकते हो वो कंटेंट. ऐसे ब्लैंक नहीं रखना, इसलिए हमने हाँ, तो वही आपको भी वही प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है अभी. वो जो बोल रहे थे ना विद्यानिकेतन की सर, आपको भी वही प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है कि आपको टीचर लॉगिन में ये नहीं दिख रहा कोर्स क्रिएट करने का ऑप्शन, राइट?
हाँ बराबर है सर.
यस. तो आपका भी नाम और नंबर मैसेज करके रख लो, स्कूल का नाम और नंबर आपका, तो वो कांटेक्ट करके आपको.
यस सर. ओके. यस, थैंक यू.
I think we are done. Yes.
Yes, sir. I think we are done mostly.
Yes. Fine, then we can conclude. And thank you all for giving us your time.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Yes.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Vibha, you can note these numbers in.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hi.
Yes,
Hello,
ma'am.
sir.
Huh, ma'am.
Sir, I wanted to ask you, those who have not attended, when they will get to see this recording again, will you tell me so that I can convey the same message?
Currently, ma'am, we do have a recording, but the first part, because there were a lot of participants joining in, the first part is little missing. So maybe we can have, sir, we can have another session, or should I?
But whatever recording is there, you can send whatever recording is there. Means whatever
Okay.
second part is done, means how much?
I think, sir, when you're filling marks, from that part itself.
So we'll send you a video in say 1-2 hours.
Okay. So for that, we have to ask you, or you will send by yourself?
We'll send by whatever the numbers we have, like principals or someone. That number
Okay,
we'll
okay,
send
fine,
it.
sir. So Bharati Vidyapit Kolhapur, please do send for that, sir. Huh?
Okay. Yes. Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir,
Yes,
Krishna
ma'am.
School Karad.
Yes.
We were not there for the meeting right from the beginning. We just joined just 5 to 10 minutes before. Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am. I'm listening. Yes, ma'am.
We were not able to join the meeting. We have just
Okay.
joined 5 to 10 minutes before, so we don't have exactly what idea was in the meeting.
Okay. So we'll let you know when there's a next session. We'll update you.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, sir. Sorry.
Thank you. Fine. We'll end the meeting. Yes, you can end the meeting.
Okay. Thank you, everyone, for joining in. We are ending the meeting.